friends, welcome back to Steno World. In this video, I will dictate original order of Jharkhand High Court, which is very important for upcoming Jharkhand High Court PA examination. So be ready for the dictation. Start. The petitioners were working on daily wages for more than 10 years. Suddenly, the state came up with a novel idea to exploit them. Some of the petitioners were terminated and one outsourced agency was appointed to supply manpower. Petitioner numbers 3, 5 and 12, due to compelling circumstances, had to knock the door of the agency, and the agency supplied them to work where they were working for more than 10 years. Thus, the outsourced agency now has become the middleman to supply manpower to the state. It has been submitted that the state is paying the entire salary to the agency and the said agency is making payment to the employees. Rest of the petitioners are now being forced to take refuge with the said agency. This middleman culture, which the state has adopted, is not proper. If a person has to be appointed on daily wage, prima facie, he should be directly appointed by the state on daily wage or contract. There is no question of appointing anyone through agency. This middleman culture has sprouted in this state, which is prima facie bad. This is a very serious issue which has come before this court in number of cases. The Chief Secretary, Government of Jharkhand, Principal Secretary, Department of Personnel, Administrative Reforms and Rajbhasha, and the Principal Secretary, Department of Health, Government of Jharkhand must explain this issue, which has sprouted in this state in respect of engaging persons through outsourced agencies. This court fails to understand as to why to supply workforce in the several departments of the state, outsourced agencies are being appointed who are nothing but a middleman. Let a detailed affidavit should be filed by the aforesaid officers of the state within 2 weeks. In the meantime, if the state wants to appoint engage any person on daily wage or an contract, their outsourced agency should be kept aside, and the person should directly be engaged by the state. The petitioners who have not joined the said outsourced agency should not be removed, and their salary should be directly transmitted to their bank account. So far as petitioner numbers 3, 5 and 12 are concerned, their salary should be directly transmitted to their bank account by passing the outsourced agency by the civil surgeon.